Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a IoT based poultry and fish farming system, and in this system we designed here a poultry farm for poultry farming, and we designed here a pond for fish farming, and to monitoring this total system we designed a IoT platform, its Blink app, and by using this Blink app we can show all the sensors value in this platform. Now we will check the full operation of our project, so let's check it now. At first we will check the turbidity value of water. You see here that here turbidity is 1 showing and it's clear. Turbidity LED is turned off and blink showing turbidity 1. That means it's clear water. And when we will shift this turbidity sensor to dirty water, at that moment it will show higher value of turbidity. You can see in LCD display. You see here that it's 73 and turbidity LED is turned on and blink showing 72. If we shift this turbidity sensor to clear water again, then you can see the turbidity value will be normal again and notification of turbidity will be turned off, and also turbidity is showing 1 in Blink app. So next we will make sure the proper feeding for our fish by using IR sensor. We use here a servo motor to make sure proper distribution of feed for fish. When we will make sure any obstacle in front of IR sensor, at that moment servo motor will provide feed to our fish. And you see here that IR sensor when detect any obstacle, at that moment this indicator will be turned on. Now we will make sure the proper distribution of feed for our poultries, and in this case we use here ultrasonic sensor. When feed will be available more than requirement, at that moment it will be closed by using servo motor, and when feed will be come down in low level, at that moment ultrasonic sensor will be open the door for feed. We use here a LDR to control our room light. When it will be daytime, at that moment LDR will detect sun ray and room light will be turned off, and when LDR will not detect any light or ray, at that moment room light will be turned on. So this is the operation for room light control. Now we will check the water availability for poultry farm, and for that reason we use here a soil sensor. When this soil sensor get water connection, at that moment water pump will be turned off and LED and Blink app also showing that one. When this soil sensor will not connected with water, at that moment water pump will be make sure water supply to our poultry farm from our pond. When water pump will be turned off, LED will be turned off and Blink also notify about water pump. Now we will test our room temperature and humidity value. For that case we use here a temperature sensor named DST11. We will provide temperature to this temperature sensor by using a soldering iron, and this LCD display showing that our temperature is 30 degrees Celsius now. This temperature value also showing in our Blink app, and humidity also showing from this temperature sensor. When this temperature sensor value will be increased more than 35 degrees Celsius, as per our program it will be detected as a high temperature, and to control this temperature value this cooling fan will be turned on when it will be more than 35 degrees Celsius. Here our cooling fan is running now, so it's obviously more than 35 degrees Celsius temperature and it's showing 36 degrees Celsius. So now you can see the Blink app also, it's 36 degrees Celsius, and When it will be reduced again, at that moment cooling fan will be turned off and system will be back in normal condition. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time, and if you like this video then you can subscribe our channel, and if you want to make this project then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. Thanks again and Allah Hafiz.